Hey, this is Chris with a little update about my Gottlieb Genie that I've been trying to get up and working. I got a cat on my machine at the moment. They seem to be a pretty big fan of it. So the last time I made a video, I had just plugged in the Pascal all-in-one board and fired it up for the first time, and I discovered I had no working displays. So I have spent past couple of weeks, I don't know how long it's been, trying to get the old displays back up and running. I checked voltages, I checked wiring diagrams, I kind of did everything I could think of. Um, I checked the pin crimps, I checked the chips on the display boards themselves. I couldn't find any problems. All the voltages coming out of the display connectors were good. The grounding seemed to be good. So I said, maybe it's possible I've got 5 dead displays, which seemed unlikely, but I went ahead and ordered a Wolfpack display replacement. And it's one of those build it yourself kind of deals. It took me maybe 2 hours to solder the whole thing together. And well, here's the result. As you can see, I only ordered one, but I've got one working display now. It says the out hole's empty because there's no ball in the game at the moment. But what this is telling me, or it seems to be telling me, is that I had dead displays. It seems unlikely that all 5 displays were dead, but this Wolfpack one works. I tried it in every position except the 5th credit position at the bottom, but in all 4 player positions it works just fine. And so I guess I need to buy some new displays. I still kind of want to work on the old displays to try to get those working. Maybe I can replace a capacitor, and I don't know. I really still don't have an explanation for why the old ones aren't working, which is a little discouraging, but that's where I'm at right now. Let me go ahead and put a ball in here just to show you kind of what the next issue is. With the ball in the game, it'll boot up just fine. Takes a couple seconds. Check some coils and then it's ready to play. So if I come down here, I'll press the start button. It tries to kick it out, but it can't. So it says check coil 7, cannot drive. So I've got something going on with my coil in the out hole. That'll be the next thing I start looking into once I get new displays installed. And maybe at that point, we'll be able to play a game. Who knows? All right, thanks for watching.